Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are changing things up a little bit today and making a salt bar. For those of you that don't know, a salt bar is a very hard, long-lasting bar with a high percentage of salt and coconut oil, which can create a creamy and low bubble lather. These bars act as an exfoliant, so they're great for dry winter skin. The recipe I formulated for these bars contains coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, and sea salt. This is a new recipe for me, so I'm excited to try it out in a few weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my lye water into my oils and get this all mixed up. I'm going to split off some of my batter. I'm using only 2 colors today just because it's a new recipe for me, so I wasn't sure how the batter would behave. For the fragrance today, I'm using fresh mint and eucalyptus from Midwest Fragrance Company. I absolutely love this scent. It smells amazing and is the perfect fragrance for these salt bars. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our sea salt and get that all incorporated. I decided to use this silicone mold from Brambleberry. Salt bars harden up within a couple hours, so I didn't want to risk the soap getting too hard in my regular loaf mold and then not be able to cut through it, so this seemed like a much better option. I didn't really have a plan as far as a design, so I just kind of did whatever, no rhyme or reason, just getting the soap into the molds. And then for the last 6 bars, I added the white in with the green and did an in the pot swirl. And then with this last one, I noticed a couple big chunks of salt that didn't get mixed in well enough, but nothing to worry about. We'll take care of that. I'll scoop it out and we'll stir it up and get it back in the mold. Okay, it's been about 24 hours, so we are ready to pop these out of the mold and see what they look like. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.